Okay, guys. So, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir.
So, what we can see today, we can see Java or Selenium. Good evening, Sunil.
If Selenium கம்மியாக தான் டாபிக் இருந்ததுன்னா அதை முடிச்சிடலாம் சார்.
But Java topic.
Java strong இல்லாம Selenium முடிச்சே useless.
இல்ல. Like, let you know one thing. So, Java topics வந்து நிறைய பெண்டிங் இருக்கு கரெக்டா? இங்க நிறைய பேருக்கு அப்ஸ்ட்ராக்ஷன் வரைக்கும் தான் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
Yes or no? Yeah. So, யாருக்கு அப்ஸ்ட்ராக்ஷன் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? ஹேண்ட் ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. அப்ஸ்ட்ராக்ஷன் வரைக்கும் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க அப்படின்றவங்க ஹேண்ட் ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. 1. ஒருத்தருக்கு தானா? ஒன்லி 1.
சார் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்றாங்க சார் அப்ஸ்ட்ராக்ஷன்.
இப்போ என்ன டாபிக் போயிட்டு இருக்கு? என்ன டாபிக் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க உங்களுக்கு?
மேப் வந்து சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன் சார் லாஸ்டா.
சுதர்ஷன் உங்களுக்கு
கடைசியா எங்களுக்கு கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டர் எடுத்தாங்க.
கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டர் எடுத்தாங்களா? கமலஹாசன் உங்களுக்கு? கமலஹாசன் உங்களுக்கு என்ன எடுத்தாங்க? So Ashok, please drop the message. தெய்வானே உங்களுக்கு எது கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க?
கண்ட்ரோல்
ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ல எது வரைக்கும் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? புரியல. Guys, ஏதாச்சும் கொஸ்டின் கேட்டா கொஞ்சம் ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணுங்க guys. Constructor for Nivetha.
Sir, types of variable.
Types of variable complete பண்ணிட்டாங்களா? Okay. So what about Induja? Induja, what about you? உங்களுக்கு எது வரைக்கும் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டர். மஞ்சாரி உங்களுக்கு? புரியல. லிஸ்டா?
லிஸ்ட் போயிட்டு இருக்குங்க சார்.
Okay. What about Pranav?
சார் எனக்கு லாஸ்டா வந்துட்டு எனக்கு மெத்தட் ஓவர்லோடிங் அண்ட் மெத்தட் ஓவர் ரைடிங் வரைக்கும் எடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஸோ பட் ஐ எம் வெரி கிளியர் ஒன்லி டில் அப்ஸ்ட்ராக்ஷன்.
Abstraction is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Prashant உங்களுக்கு?
சார் செட் வரைக்கும்
எடுத்தோம். ரியாலுதீன்?
Sections.
புரியல.
Sections.
என்ன சொல்றீங்க? புரியல எனக்கு.
Abstractions.
அப்ஸ்ட்ராக்ஷன் வரைக்குமா? ஓகே. சுதர்ஷன் உங்களுக்கு?
சார் எனக்கு கலெக்ஷன்ஸ்லாம் முடிச்சுட்டு கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டர் எடுத்தாங்க சார். அதான் லாஸ்ட் ஒன்.
ஓகே. ஸோ விஜய் உங்களுக்கு?
Sir, types of variable.
ஓகே. ஸோ இப்போ கண்ட்ரோல் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் நிறைய பேருக்கு வந்து டவுட்டாக தான் இருக்கு கரெக்டா?
Yes, sir.
So shall we see today the control statement?
ஓகே சார்.
Yes, sir.
Is it fine for everyone? நம்ம parallel classes வந்து நான் ஜாவாலையும் அதுக்கு தான் கேட்குறேன்.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine, right? Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
So I'll just share my screen and open the notepad. So நீங்க கொடுத்த டாஸ்க் வந்து only few people have completed. Guys, just give me a minute. Okay guys, so in the program யாரெல்லாம் எனக்கு சென்ட் பண்ணீங்க? Only few have sent this program to me. So what about others? What about others? நான் பேசுறது கேக்குதா? ஏதாச்சும் ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணுங்க guys.
சார் நீங்க பேசுறது கேக்குது சார்.
கேக்குதுல?
கேக்குது சார்.
கேக்குது.
அப்ப ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணுங்க.
Thank you, sir.
So today we will see only the conditional loop. Okay. So what is first the control statement means? We are going to control the execution of the program. Okay. What we are going to do? We are going to do what? Control the execution of the program. So in control statement, we have conditional loop. Sorry. Conditional statement. Okay, looping statement, and jumping statement. Okay, so but today we are going to see the conditional statement alone. Okay, so first we are going to see what is control statement. Guys, mute la irunga. Okay, so here we are going to see what? We are going to see the conditional statement we are going to see, which means the controlling the execution of the program, that is what called as control statement. If ஒரு program இருக்கு ஓகேங்களா? So I'm just opening the notepad. Okay. Okay, so here I have one class called what? I have one class called practice program. I have one class called what? Practice program. So you know, right? Whenever I need to print anything, now the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 print pannu, which means we have a data type called int. Okay, int number 1 is equal to 1. So இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Declare பண்ணி அதுக்கு what? We will print the value. Yes or no? Yes or no?
சார் எனக்கு நோட்பேட் தான் ஸ்கிரீன்ல தெரியும்
சார் ஸ்கிரீன் ஷேர்
Screen share.
Okay, இப்போ தெரியுதா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whenever I need to print one number means in data types, with the help of data types, what we can do? We can print like this. ஆமாவா இல்லையா? இப்படி print பண்ணலாமா? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We can declare one number in one variable and in one data type. After that, what we can do? We can print the particular variable by giving system.out.println. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's assume I have 50 numbers to print. எனக்கு இப்போ வந்து 50 numbers வந்து print ஆகணும். ஓகேங்களா? I need to print what? I need to print 50 numbers, which means we cannot declare 50 numbers in one variable and we cannot declare sysout for 50 numbers. நம்ம எல்லாத்துக்குமே வந்து ஒரு வேரியபிள் டிக்ளேர் பண்ணி எல்லாத்துக்குமே sysout கொடுத்தா நமக்கு கிட்டத்தட்ட how many lines of program will be there? It will be nearly 100 lines of program. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, to control this kind of execution, we are going for what? We are going for the control statement. If clear, what is control statement is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Logically, we are going to control the what? We are going to control the execution. You need to understand this point, control execution. Okay, so first we have seen the conditional loop. Okay, the conditional loop means nothing. We will pass one condition. Okay, நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா ஒரு கண்டிஷன் பாஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அந்த கண்டிஷன் கரெக்டா இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆகும். Okay, so for example, just creating the main method. Okay, so example, I'm declaring int a is equal to 10. Int a is equal to what? 10. So what is the first conditional loop we have? Notes paranga.
If statement.
Now tell me, what is the first conditional loop we have? If statement we have. Okay, which means just type if. Okay, and you'll get the if statement here. Click on enter. So here we need to pass what means we need to pass the condition first. நமக்கு என்ன பண்ணனும் அப்படினா நம்ம வந்து இங்க ஒரு கண்டிஷன் வந்து பாஸ் பண்ணுவோம். So a is equal to 10, right? Which means a ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன? What is 10. The value of a? 10. 10. So I'm declaring condition a is equal to 10. Okay? A value is equal to what? Is 10. Yeah. So I'm printing one statement. Printing one statement called the condition is true. Okay. So see here, guys, I have declared one value. Okay, a is equal to 10, and I'm passing one condition here. A is equal to 10. இப்போ a ஓட வேல்யூ 10 தானே, நம்ம டபுள் ஈக்குவல்ஸ் பண்ணா நம்ம அதை கம்பேர் பண்றோம்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகே, whenever we are using double equals, which means we are going to what? We are going to compare the values. Is for comparing the values. Okay, so now tell me, a is equals to 10. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when I'm executing the program, it will check the condition first.
So voice clear
it will check the condition first. If the condition,
sir,
voice clear கேக்குறீங்களா? மத்தவங்களுக்குலாம்
voice
எல்லாருக்குமே clear கேக்கலையா?
Now clear, sir.
Okay,
clear.
Okay, 1 minute, guys. I'll change my location. Okay, just give me a minute. Guys, is that fine now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here I have declared one value, right? A is equal to 10, which means the a order value and 10. Yes or no?
10.
Sir.
In if condition, in if loop, I'm passing one condition actually. A is equal to 10. A order value 10 ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் ஒரு condition pass பண்றேன். If the condition is true, okay, how it will be executed mean it will first check the condition. A is equal to 10, which means a order value and 10. 10 is equals to 10, right? So it will check the condition. After that, it will come to the loop, come inside the loop, and it will print the execution. Okay, so I'm just declaring a is less than 10. Okay, a is what? A is less than 10. Now tell me the condition is true or false?
False.
False.
Because A is equal to 10 only. A is not less than 10. So when you
Yeah.
print, when you execute this program, see, it will not print anything because the condition is what? The condition is false.
False.
Okay. So here we have something called operators. Okay. So please note this point. I'm just removing the jumping and looping statement because we are going to see that in the next class. Okay. We have a operators called equals, less than, greater than, less than, equals, greater than, equals. Please see that. Please note this point. It will compare the values. Okay. After that, it will check left value smaller than right value or not. Guys, please copy the notes parallelly with me.
Yes, sir.
So here, yeah. It will check what? It will check left value is greater than right value or not. Okay. In the operator, you need to listen carefully. It will check both less or equals. Less or equals, okay, and it will check both greater or equals. Okay, now tell me if I'm declaring here, okay, A is lesser than or equals. Okay, I'm sorry guys. In loop itself, I'm just declaring A is lesser than or equals. So I'm just executing the program. See, the condition is true because it will accept both 10 and below 10 values. Okay, இப்போ A oda value வந்து 9 or நான் இப்போ நான் declare பண்றேன். ஓகேங்களா? I'm declaring A value as 9 and now I'm executing the program. See, the condition is true. Why? Because in this operator, so in this operator, it will check both less numbers and equal numbers. It will also pass the condition true if it is 10. It will also pass the condition true if it is less than 10. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
No doubt.
No, sir.
So now you have clear about operators, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's we play with operators now. So here I have declared A is equal to 9, right? So I'm just declaring A greater than or equals 9. Now tell me the condition is true or false?
True, sir.
Sorry?
True, sir.
True. True.
Condition is what?
True.
True.
True. Okay. So now tell me whether this condition is true or false.
False, sir.
False, sir. False.
Check here. We don't get anything. So now we have a good understanding with the operators, right? So see here,
Yes.
guys, in if loop, if the condition is true means what? It will execute the code which is inside the loop. If the condition is false means it won't execute. Okay. Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So please copy these notes. Copy the code.
So can you show the notepad for 1 minute?
Yeah, sure. Okay, first you can copy the notepad and let me know. After that, I will switch to program.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Everyone completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please copy the program. Any doubt in if loop? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, let me know once you have completed.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Everyone completed, right?
1 second, sir.
Yeah. So guys, please understand the execution, okay? It will check the condition first, then only it will enter into the loop. If you understand the control statement executions and all, it will be more useful in automation. Okay? Like if you guys really confused or really got stuck in anywhere means, let me know, I'll explain once again.
வாய்ஸ் சரியா கேட்கலங்க சார்.
இப்ப கேக்குதா?
கேக்குது சார்.
Yeah, control statement வந்து it's really important topic. So I mean please understand completely the execution, okay? If you guys having any doubt means just let me know. We can again discuss.
Completed this, sir.
Yeah, you have completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
shall we move to the next conditional loop?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here it is very simple. We have if loop, right? If the condition is true means what will happen?
Print,
It will print the statement given in the loop. Yeah, if the meeting is ended means please join with the same link. Okay?
Okay.
If the condition is true means it will print the statement given inside the what? Given inside the loop. So if the condition is false means what happened?
It will
It
not.
will not print.
It will not print anything. So here we are going to do else. Okay? If else. Okay? I'm just removing all the code first. I have declared int a is equal to 10. Okay. All right. So type if, and you can see if else statement in second one. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Here you can see two blocks. One is if block, another one is what? Else block.
Else, sir.
Yeah. I'm giving the condition a less than 10. Okay. Okay. If the condition is true means it will print the it will print the line given inside the if block. Okay. If the condition is false means what will happen now? Let me tell you. It will come to the else block actually. Okay. Previously the condition is false means what will happen? It will print nothing, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, previously if the condition is false means it will print nothing. But in if else statement, if the condition is false means it will automatically come to the else block and it will print the line which is
statement.
the else statement. So now tell me guys whether the statement is correct or not. The condition is
False,
true or
sir.
False.
False.
in the program. Okay. See, the condition is false.
False.
So now tell me whether the condition is true or false.
True, sir.
True.
True, right? So if it is true means it will check the if statement and it will print there. It won't execute the else loop. If the condition is false only, it will come to what? It will come to the
Else statement.
else statement. Any doubt?
No doubt.
sir.
Okay, guys, please copy this one. One
Copy
minute.
it, sir.
Yeah, please copy this.
Sir. Sir.
சொல்லுங்க.
இன்னொரு டைம் சொல்றீங்களா?
Yeah, sure. இப்போ நம்ம if statementல என்ன பார்த்தோம்? If statementல நம்ம condition pass பண்ணுவோம். கரெக்ட்டா? நம்ம condition true இருந்துச்சுன்னா what will happen? It will print the statement given inside the if loop. ஆமாவா இல்லையா? Yes or no?
Yes.
Condition false இருந்தா என்ன ஆகும்? எதுவுமே print ஆகாது. கரெக்ட்டா?
ஆமா.
இப்போ if else statementum kind of same thing, okay? But condition false இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம elseல டிக்ளேர் பண்ணிருக்கோம்ல ஒரு லைன். என்ன லைன் நம்ம elseல டிக்ளேர் பண்ணோமோ அது எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆகும். If the condition is false means condition false இருந்தா elseல டிக்ளேர் என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோமோ அது எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆகும்.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Clear, right?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay. Copied?
Sir. Copy it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the next loop here? Nested if.
Nested if.
Nested if.
Nested if means I will first one declare one if statement, okay? So inside that I will pass one condition. Okay, let's assume. இப்போ நம்ம வந்து ஸ்ட்ரிங் வச்சு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்க்கலாம், ஓகேங்களா?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I have one company now. இப்போ வந்து நான் வந்து ஒரு கம்பெனி ரன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். எனக்கு வந்து லிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் யார் யாரெல்லாம் ஃபுல் டைம் பெர்மனன்ட் எம்ப்ளாயிஸோ அவங்க லிஸ்ட்ல எனக்கு வேணும், ஓகேவா? எனக்கு வந்து பெர்மனன்ட் பார்ட் டைமும் வேணாம், ஃபுல் டைம் டெம்பரவரியும் வேணும். எனக்கு ஃபுல் டைம் பெர்மனன்ட் ரெண்டு கண்டிஷன் எனக்கு வேணும். ஒன், அந்த எம்ப்ளாயி வந்து ஃபுல் டைமாகவும் இருக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட், the employee should be permanent. I have two conditions, okay? I need the list of employees who is a full time as well as what? Permanent. Okay? So here we can declare first one. EMP equals full time. Okay? And once the condition is true means we are having one more if here. One more if here, okay? What's the next condition?
Permanent.
M2 permanent.
M2
Equal to permanent.
Permanent.
Why? Because the employee should be full time as well as what? Permanent. Okay?
Yes,
I
sir.
need both the condition employees. So here I'm declaring my statement. The employees are full time and permanent. Okay, so guys, it will check two conditions. Okay. See, if the two conditions are true means then only it will execute the statement. So I'm just changing as part-time. Okay, changing as part-time. See, it won't execute anything because we don't need the part-time permanent employees. We need what? We need full-time permanent employees. Clear? Any doubt?
No doubt,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
here I'm changing temporary. Okay, changing on temporary. So I'm just executing again. See, we don't get result, right? Why? Because we need what? We need full-time permanent, not the full-time temporary. Which means whenever we having two conditions should be passed. Okay, நமக்கு எப்பலாம் ரெண்டு condition வந்து pass ஆகணுமோ at that time we will use what? We will use nested.
Nested if.
Any doubt with nested if?
No doubt,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
Clear,
sir.
right? So how the execution will be now? First it will check the first if statement. If statement employee is equal to full time. It will check whether it is true or false. If it is true means it will come to second if statement and it will check the second condition. Employee 2 is equal to permanent. It will check the condition is true or false. If the condition is true means it will print what? It will print to the value. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, tell me.
சார் இப்போ இதுல வந்து ரெண்டு கண்டிஷன் செக் பண்ணுறோம் சார். மேலேயும் செக் பண்ணலாமா சார்? நம்ம 3 இல்லை 4 கண்டிஷன் இதுல இப்போ ரெண்டுன்றது
நான் சொல்றேன் ஓகேங்களா? எம்ப்ளாயி நீங்க டேட்டா டைப்ஸ் படிச்சிருப்பீங்க கரெக்டா? டேட்டா டைப்ஸ் நம்ம என்ன பார்த்திருப்போம்? டேட்டா டைப் வேரியபிள் நேம் இஸ் ஈக்குவல்ஸ் வாட்? வேல்யூ. இங்கன்ற ஒரு டேட்டா டைப்ல பெர்மனன்ட் ஒரு வேல்யூ எங்க ஸ்டோர் பண்றேன்? emp2 ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு வேரியபிள். So that is what syntax is. It is a data type, Ashok. Okay. So anything else? Guys, my screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here it may be confusing. Okay, now I'm going to declare else two else block here. So it may be confusing, but please see carefully. So see guys. So here I have added one else block here. I have added what? Else block here. Okay. So எனக்கு வந்து full time permanent இந்த ரெண்டு if statementமே வந்து எனக்கு met ஆயிருச்சு condition metனா it will execute what? It will execute the condition given in the second if statement. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now
Yes, sir.
I added one more thing, else block here. Okay, else block, and I'm mentioning so the employee is full time temporary. So see here, if I'm changing the permanent into temporary, I'm executing the program here, which means it won't accept the full time and permanent. It will accept what? Full time temporary. So the execution is, see here guys, first it will check the first condition. Now tell me, first condition is true or false?
True, sir.
True,
True,
right?
sir.
First condition is what? True. Okay, and it will check the second condition. Now tell me, second condition is true or false?
False.
False. So whenever we have a if else statement, if the condition is false, means which will be executed?
Else.
False. I mean, else.
Else will be executed. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
எல்லாருக்குமே clear-ஆ? நம்ம next topic போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி please confirm that everyone is clear, right?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, Devane, Induja, Kamal Hassan, Manjari, everyone clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir. Yes.
Okay, wonderful. All right, please copy this note.
Completed, sir.
So everyone completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move to the next one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, so here we have one more if statement that is called as if ladder. Okay, if ladder. In if ladder, what we will do means we can pass multiple if else block. Okay. So I'm just removing this one. I'm declaring one value called int age is equal to 25. Okay. Int age is equal to what? 25.
25.
Yeah. First, I'm using one if else. Okay. I'm passing condition age is less than 25. Okay. Okay. First, I'm passing only one if condition, and I'm giving the condition as age less than 25. So I'm giving the output. The age is less than 25. Okay. So here, when you type else, okay, you can see else if block. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Else if block. So click on that. So here, after else, it will create one more if condition. Okay, which means we can pass one more condition. Age is greater than 25. Age is what? Age is
Greater than.
not like that, Ashok. It's completely our priority. We can use byte or short anything. So இப்போ நம்ம 25ன்றது வந்து இன்ட்ல தான் டிக்ளேர் பண்ணணும் கிடையாது. ஓகேங்களா? பைட்ல டிக்ளேர் பண்ணலாம், ஷார்ட்ல டிக்ளேர் பண்ணலாம், இன்ட்ல டிக்ளேர் பண்ணலாம். ஓகேங்களா? So like in most of the projects they always prefer for int, but there is no reason for that. Okay, but truly the 25 is the value is completely depends for what? Depends for byte only, but we can also declare in int. Clear, Ashok? So see here, guys. First, I have created one if and I have passed one condition. Then I have created one if else statement. What is else if? Okay, else if statement, and I have declared one more condition. Now tell me this condition is true or false?
False.
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 Yeah. So I'm just declaring the for else if block. Okay, and I'm passing the condition age is equal to 10. So now tell me the condition is true or false?
False.
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 Okay. Yeah.
False.
So I'm creating the output as the age is equals to what? 10. So after that, at last, finally, when you completed all the condition, finally you can declare one else block. Okay. Here I'm just declaring sysout not all the all the conditions are not true. So guys, how the execution will be made, see here. See here, first it will check the condition. Now tell me guys, the condition is true or false?
False.
False. Next, it will skip the code and it will go to the else block, but we don't have anything in the else block, right? Next, it will check the second condition. Now tell me the condition is true or false?
False.
False, sir.
After that, it again go to else, and we don't have anything in the else, so it will check the third condition. Okay, so now tell me the third condition is true or false?
False.
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 After that, all the condition are false, then it will go to the else block. Now we have the body for the else block. Previously we don't have the body for the else block, that's why it will check the condition. Now we have what? Now we have the body for the else block, so it will check all the condition. If nothing is true, means it will execute the else block. So see here, all the conditions are not true. So let's assume I have this condition as true. Okay, 25. If the third condition is true, means what will happen? It will execute the business logic under the condition. Okay,
It will be true.
Yeah, நம்ம ஆக்சுவலா 10 கொடுத்திருக்கோம் பிரிண்ட் பண்ணதுக்கு, so நம்ம 25 கொடுத்துக்கலாம். Okay, so what will happen? It will print the which condition is passed in that block. It will execute the business logic of that particular block. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Everybody clear, right? Everybody
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
clear? Sudarshan, Devanai,
Yes, sir.
Manjari,
Yes, sir.
Niveta,
Clear, sir.
Pranav, Prashant, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear.
Yeah, please
Yes, sir.
copy. Yeah, please copy this one. So it seems like a control statement is simple, like, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Which means you should understand the logic, then it will be more easy.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So far, what are the things we have seen? We have seen if else, nested if, and if ladder. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone copied?
Copy.
No, sir.
Okay, please copy that.
Completed, sir.
Everyone completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just go through the things quickly. So now tell me, guys, in if statement, if the condition is true, what will happen?
It will execute the
Will
distance
execute.
It will execute the business logic inside the block. Yeah. If the condition is false, means
Nothing
It will not
displayed.
execute it. Nothing.
Nothing.
super. So what if the condition is true in if else, what will happen?
It will show the
The
statement.
if statement.
If statement. So if the condition is false, means
So the
This is the else statement.
It will store the else state.
it will go to the else block and print
Else
the
statement.
statement. Yeah. So in nested if we can pass multiple conditions. Okay, 2 or 3 or any condition. So now tell me, guys, how it will check the first condition and second condition. If the second condition is false, means what will happen?
It's not
Print nothing, sir.
Okay, let's assume I have added one else block. Okay, if second condition is false, means what will happen?
Let's go to the else one.
Print else.
Else block.
Display the else statement.
Okay, nice. So if ladder, in if ladder, we have multiple else if, right? So I have declared 3 conditions. Okay. Here the first condition is failed, second condition is passed, third condition is failed. Okay, what will happen?
Second
Second
condition.
condition
Second
will
condition is printed.
be printed.
Second condition will execute and it won't go for the third and all. Once condition true or originally, it will complete the loop. They won't go for what? Third or fourth or fifth condition like that. If the condition is met in second loop itself, I mean a second else if itself,
It will
we
stop
don't
there.
need to execute the remaining thing. Clear?
Yes,
Sir.
So we have seen if else, nested if, and if ladder. So guys, what I need to do means I hope everyone understand these things clearly, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
So could you please send me the task for these things? Task or expert panalama?
Sure,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Guys,
yes, sir.
yeah, please send me the task so that only I will tell all the things in a what? In an interesting manner. Like if you sending task now, எனக்கு வந்து கொஞ்சம் curious இருக்கும். Like people are sending the tasks, which means they are very interesting. So we can complete all these things very quickly. Okay. So I need the
Okay.
task. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, guys. Give me a minute. We will take the attendance.
சார்
சொல்லுங்க.
இல்ல இப்போ ப்ராக்டிஸ் வந்துட்டு எனி நம்மளோட ஓன் வேல்யூஸ் வச்சு தானே பண்ண போறோம்?
இல்ல ஆக்சுவலா இது இருக்கு நினைக்கிறேன், வெப்சைட்ல வந்து உங்களுக்கு இருக்கு.
ஓ ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே.
வெப்சைட்ல வந்து கோர் ஜாவா டெஸ்ட் பேப்பர் செக் பண்ணுங்க, ஓகேங்களா?
ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார்.
அதுல இருக்கு. ஓகே. 1 minute, guys. So see here, we have core Java developer, right? So இதுல control statement day 4ல போனீங்கன்னா control statement ஒன்று இருக்கும். அதை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. அதை கிளிக் பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு see here, it will ask you to create the loop like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you have multiple questions here. So
Okay, we'll do it, sir.
yeah, the for loop la involve ஆச்சுன்னா you can leave that. 1 minute, guys. Okay, guys, I mean, you don't need to practice this loop and all. Okay, why? Because yeah, because it is involving for loop. Okay, but as of now we haven't seen the for loop, right? So inge
Yes,
parunga,
sir.
10th question, 9th question. Okay, adu rendu try பண்ணுங்க. எனக்கு வந்து 10th question 9th question வந்து ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. அதுல புதுசா வந்து
Okay, sir.
break and continue னு சொல்லிட்டு ரெண்டு கீவேர்ட் இருக்கும். ஓகேங்களா? ரெண்டு கீவேர்ட் இருக்கும். அது என்ன ஆகுதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு எனக்கு நாளைக்கு வரும்போது எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க.
Okay.
ஸோ நீங்க 9th and 10th கொஸ்டின் பாத்தீங்கன்னா லைக் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் அதே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். பட் there is a one word called break. ஓகே, ஸோ அதை நீங்க செக் பண்ணிட்டு எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க.
Okay, sir.
ஓகே,
Okay, sir.
அண்ட் இதெல்லாமே நீங்க ஓன் வேல்யூல பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணி எனக்கு ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் சென்ட் பண்ணுங்க.
Okay, sir.
Okay, any doubts?
No, sir.
Shall we
No,
go
sir.
to the attendance? Yeah, just give me a minute, guys. We will quickly
Okay.
finish the attendance. Ashok is there. Okay. Deepak is there. Deepak is not there, right?
I don't think so, sir.
Yeah, Devani.
Yes, sir.
Devani is yeah. Induja.
Yes, sir.
Jay Srinath is there.
Yes, sir.
Kamal Hassan. I think he is there. Nandakumar.
Sir, present, sir.
Okay. Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Prashant.
Yes, sir.
Rahman. I think Rahman is there. Let me check. Rahman is not there. Riyaluddin is there, right? Shruti.
Yes, sir.
Sudarshan.
Yes, sir.
Vijayalakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Manjari.
Yes, sir.
Niveta.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So guys, please practice these for loop by your own values, as well as given one task, right? Go to that website and check 9th question and 10th question. Let me know what is the output you are getting, what is really happening. Just try to explain. Okay, we can see, yeah, we will see that what is a continue and break and all, but you try to explore like just try to understand what is really happening in the loop.
Sure, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay guys, please practice. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, just start me that screen, sir, program.
Okay, copy பண்ணு.
ஒரு நிமிஷம் பிக் எடுத்துக்கிறேன்.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you guys. You can leave.